Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Volvo XC60 on a 71 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area first. The tailgate will open electronically on this car. As we approach the back of it, you can see we have reversing sensors, the necessary cables for the hybrid element of this vehicle as well, and you can increase this boot space by folding down the rear seats should you wish to. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, we'll run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, the first thing you can see is the alloy wheels, all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. We're going to start in the dead centre first, where you can see the total miles for this vehicle. They are 37,274. You can close that down and you can see there we now have satellite information or satellite navigation information displayed there. Over on the left hand side we have the speedometer, the digital readout for the speedometer. On the right hand side you'll be able to see how much of the hybrid power you're using. You can also see the gear this car is in. It's an automatic, of course, so we're in park at the moment. And beneath that we have the battery charge level and the fuel gauge as well. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have cruise control, we have our stereo controls, and this button here will change the information that's displayed in the center section. Over into your central console next. This is all touchscreen. You have one physical button which brings you back to this menu. From there you can then access your Google Maps, so your satellite navigation. You can also swipe through for various different options. We have our audio menu directly beneath that, where you can access your AM, FM and DAB radio. You can also stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio once you've paired your phone. At the bottom of that section, we have our climate control menu. So you could, for example, firstly, determine what direction you'd like the air distributed in, your fan speed. You can turn your air conditioning on, and it's on when it's highlighted blue. Same to turn it off, just press the same thing again. With a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen. You can, if you wish to, just hit auto. If you do that, the car will take full control of everything for you to maintain the temperatures you've asked for, which are down here. So driver and passenger temperature. You can sync them so that they both adjust at the same rate, or you can do them individually as I was doing just a moment ago. We have a heated steering wheel with 3 different heat settings, a heated seat with 3 different heat settings, an air-conditioned seat with 3 different settings, and on the passenger side, the air-conditioned seat and the heated seat as well. You can also, if we pop the vehicle into reverse, see that we've got a full colour reversing camera available. Below that, we have the main volume for your stereo, wireless phone charging available here, as well as a 12-volt charging socket underneath that, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, 2 cup holders, an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function, and this dial switches the car off, which is what I've just done, and back on again as well. You just need to make sure the key is in the vehicle with you. Last thing I wanted to mention is the panoramic glass roof. As you can see, there is a sunblind which will open all the way to the back of the rear seats. You can leave it like this, and as you can see, that lets in a huge amount of extra light to the cabin area of the car. But if you wish to, you can open this front section as a sunroof as well. Last thing I wanted to run through is the paperwork we have for the vehicle. So in the envelope here is the spare key, 2 keys in total, of course, the V5 registration document showing it's a one-owner car from new, and then the service book for the vehicle with the pre-delivery inspection done in 2021, and then services in 22, 23 and 24 as well, all at Volvo main dealers. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you.